this decision, conscious decision to increase the number of booths so that their social distancing norms can be followed. But given the ground realities here, we've been to different polling booths, not much of a voter turnout here. So it remains to be seen as to whether this phase also goes as the previous two phases, because this one is more densely populated. The 78 constituencies here, the density of the population is much more. So it is expected that this phase goes for a higher voter turnout. But as of now, not much of voters on the polling booth so far, Akshita, and it remains to be seen as how this will play out as far as the results of the Bihar elections are concerned. But yes, the simmering anger which is there among the youth, every youth we talk about is angry over development, over jobs. But the fact remains as to whether this anger will, translate into votes. And the other factor which you mentioned, obviously, the Simanchal region, entry of Assaduddin Owaisi. Remember, Assaduddin Owaisi's party, MIM, is restricted to Hyderabad in Telangana. 6 seats it fights in Telangana, which is the home turf for the AIMIM. But here in Bihar, they are contesting on 19 seats. Now, this is the reason why the opposition is attacking AIMIM, saying that it wants to polarize the electorate this time around. But yes, this is a very backward area. And also Kosi, 4 districts which are always flood hit. And, year after year, we see the stories of neglect as far as the flood-hit areas are concerned. So these factors are there in this campaign discourse. But will all this, translate into votes is the big question we've been trying to, find out from the voters. Will they break the caste barriers and vote on the issues which have been there in the political discourse as far as the campaign is concerned?
So far from our ground reports, it seems to be the case that social issues this time have taken predominance. Anand, thank you for getting us all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.